Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is January 22nd, 2026, and we're diving into Fulton Financial's fourth quarter and full year 2025 earnings report. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Fulton Financial has released their latest earnings, and there's a lot to unpack. From their net income performance to strategic initiatives like their stock repurchase program.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Fulton Financial reported a net income of $96.4 million for the fourth quarter of 2025 with an adjusted EPS of 55. How does this compare to their performance last year?
Fulton's net income for the full year 2025 was $381.4 million, which is a significant increase from the previous year. Their adjusted EPS for the year was $2.16, reflecting a strong financial performance driven by strategic initiatives and operational efficiencies.
That's impressive. What factors contributed to this growth?
The growth was primarily due to a solid net interest margin and effective cost management. Despite a slight decrease in non-interest income, Fulton managed to maintain profitability through a decrease in total cost of funds and strategic expense management.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. John, can you elaborate on Fulton's operational efficiencies and their future outlook?
Absolutely. Fulton achieved a net interest margin of 3.59% in Q4, which is quite robust. They also managed to keep their non-interest expenses in check, despite a slight increase to $213 million. Their provision for credit losses was $2.9 million, maintaining a healthy allowance for credit losses.
And what about their capital position?
Fulton's Common Equity Tier 1 capital ratio increased to 11.8%, indicating a strong capital position. This positions them well for future growth and potential challenges in the market.
Strategic initiatives and shareholder returns. Let's talk about Fulton's strategic initiatives, particularly their share repurchase program and dividends.
In Q4, Fulton repurchased over 1 million shares at a cost of $19.9 million. They've also announced a new 2026 repurchase program, authorizing up to $150 million in share repurchases. This demonstrates their commitment to returning value to shareholders.
And how about their dividends?
Fulton declared a cash dividend of 19 cents per share for the fourth quarter, consistent with their strategy to provide steady returns to shareholders.
CEO's perspective and market reaction. What insights did Fulton's CEO, Curtis J. Myers, share about their performance and future prospects?
CEO Curtis J. Myers highlighted a 17% increase in operating diluted EPS, attributing it to their strategic execution and team dedication. The market reacted positively, with the share price remaining stable, reflecting investor confidence in Fulton's future prospects.
That's encouraging. Any final thoughts on their future outlook?
Fulton is well positioned for continued growth, with strong capital ratios and strategic initiatives that align with shareholder interests. Their focus on operational efficiency and shareholder returns bodes well for the future.
Key takeaways. In summary, Fulton Financial has delivered a strong performance in 2025, with significant growth in net income and EPS. Their strategic initiatives, including the share repurchase program and consistent dividends, highlight their commitment to shareholder value. Thank you for joining us, John.
Thank you for having me. It's been a pleasure discussing Fulton's impressive results.
Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial insights. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Fulton's performance in the comments below. Until next time.